I am Dr. Mahesh Agarwala, consultant anesthesia, working in UKKAL Hospital. And I recently attended the pain workshop conducted by Dr. Shobhan Rath. It was conducted by ProPainTA, recently made by him, Professional Pain Academy or something like that. And it was a very good experience. It was the kind of workshop I really wanted. It was tailor-made according to our wishes. The blocks were shown and demonstrated. In between the blocks, the discussion was very good. And so Dr. Shobhan has promised us to have a continued discussion even after the workshop is over. He will provide us the continuous guidance when we work in our pain clinic. That's all. Thank you.